Now we will discuss about addition and subtraction of fractions. So addition of first like fractions. First example I will take 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. So comparing like fractions is very easy. Add the numerators and write the answer, and then take the common denominator which is there, which we will call the like fractions with the common denominator, that one in the denominator position. Coming to unlike fractions, if I am taking 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5, we can use the method how we compared unlike fractions. First we will convert these fractions to unlike fractions. 2 by 3 into denominator of the second fraction multiplied by numerator and denominator. We will get 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Now 3 by 5 into denominator of first fraction into numerator and denominator of first fraction. 2 3s are 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. So 10 by 15, 9 by 15. We have converted both to like fractions. While after converting, again write down 10 by 15 plus 9 by 15. What is the answer? Just add the numerators 19 and write the common denominator 15. In this way we can do addition. In the same way subtraction also, converting to like fractions and then do the subtraction. For that 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now subtraction. Again we will convert to like fractions. 4 by 5 into 2 by 2. Denominator of second fraction into numerator and denominator of the first fraction. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Next 1 by 2 into denominator of the first fraction into 4 by 5 into 2 by 2, 8 by 10, 1 by 2 into 5 by 5, 5 by 10. So we have converted. Now add this both, subtract this both. 8 by 10 minus 5 by 10. 8 minus 5 is 3, common denominator is 10. In this way we should do subtraction of the unlike fractions. Next we will come to know how to convert mixed fraction to improper. For example 2 1 by 4. This is a mixed fraction, whole number and a proper fraction. How we should do? 2 into 4. Here we should do multiplication, and then whatever the answer is coming, add to the numerator of the proper fraction. 2 into 4 plus 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. After writing 9, whatever the denominator of the proper fraction, 9 by 4. Okay. Like this we should convert mixed fractions. One more example. 3 1 by 5. Here we should do multiplication. 3 5s are 15. 3 into 5 is 15 plus numerator 1, 16 by whatever the denominator is there, 16 by 5. Now opposite. How we should convert improper to mixed? Now one more example. Improper fraction I should take 11 by 3. Okay. Here how we should convert is, numerator is more and denominator is less. We can do division of this 3 and 11. 3 into 3 by the 15 is more, no? 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. So in U form, reverse U form, you should write whatever the mixed fraction. So you should write 3 first, quotient, remainder by dividend. Okay. Like this divisor. Like this you should write quotient, remainder, by divisor. In this way we should convert improper to mixed fraction. Now we will discuss one word problem which is there in our exercise. So here fourth problem in exercise 2. Exercise 1 of the second chapter. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2/3 centimeters. So what is given? Rectangular sheet length is given. Length is 5 2/3 centimeters and wide, which means width. Width is given 3 1/5 centimeters. Your question is, what is the perimeter of this rectangle? So we will use formula for this. 2 of L plus B and is equal to 2 of whatever it is their length. First we will convert. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17 by 3 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. Here we should take LCM and then we should add, we should convert to like fractions. So 3 5s are 15, 3 into 5. This again multiplied by 17, 17 5s are 85 plus 5 3s are 15, 16 3s are 48. What is 85 plus 48? 85 plus 48, 133 by 15. So here you can take like this only, or you can multiply 2 into 133, which is numerator, 266 by 15. Again it is our wish that we can convert it into mixed fraction, or we can keep like this only. Better